In this video, I'll show you how to fix can't create a private server in Roblox. Now, usually, if you already created a private server of a certain game, you cannot make another one. You can only have one maximum private server per game. Now, if you don't have one and you can still not create one, it might have something to do with your parental controls. So click up here, go to settings, head over to parental controls, and make sure you choose all ages or 17 plus. Now, if you have only 9 plus and the game is 13 plus, you will not be able to create the private server. So that's basically how it works, guys. Make sure you have not created a private server of that game first. And then second, make sure you allow parental controls to all ages. Now, that way you can fix it easily. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.